Yes guys, it's your boy Crypto Alert, and today we're looking at 5 upcoming Solana and Ethereum NFT projects that are likely to explode this week. All of these 5 projects are yet to actually be released, and you'll be able to mint them this week. So yes, you have the chance to get in them early. Before we go any further, I am giving away 1 Solana. I'll be announcing the winner later this week. All you guys got to do is like the video and comment down below with a favorite NFT you are holding right now. I'm also giving away 3 Solana to 3 different people in my Twitter. I've literally made it this morning, so you guys could go ahead and check that out. The link will be down below. For the first project, we got Voyages Unknown. It's an NFT project which I've got to say I'm extremely excited about, simply because of the art. I mean, look at this. One of the main reasons projects do well at the start is because of how good the art is, and in this case it is absolutely insane. And there's not much to say about the art here. It just looks amazing compared to quite a lot of the art we've already seen. It's currently sitting at 92k followers on Twitter, over 100k Discord members. They've built up a really cool community, a really big community as well. So definitely a really hyped project. Now, one thing to keep in mind with hyped projects, the floor price will probably drop after a couple of days. So if you do end up buying it, don't hold on to it for too long and try sell it on ASAP after buying onto it. Now, moving on to the website, you can actually get to hear about the team, which again is another part that reinforces this project in my opinion. One of the guys here has worked with Artix Entertainment, a pretty big renowned company. You come down here and you got Christian right here, who's worked with J Balvin, Takashi Murakami, Puma, Justin Bieber, Complex, and you know, pretty big names, really renowned people working behind this project. You can go through the vision, the blog, and so on. The link for everything will be down below. The second project in this video is Invisible Friends. I won't be going too much in depth in this one, as I'm sure a lot of you already know about this. It's been really hyped up, even more hyped up than the other one. 490k on Twitter, 100,000 plus members on Discord. And again, I won't be digging too much into this, but yes, it's an Ethereum project. It's going up for mint in literally today, well, actually today when you're going to be watching this. So for 0.25 Ethereum, you'll be able to pick one of these up, and I can easily see this project reaching 5 to 6 Ethereum floor price. And I know that's a crazy prediction to make, but easily I can see that happening, and that's me being conservative. And at the same time, guys, remember that nothing in this video and in my channel is financial advice. Please do your own research. That's just my thought on it and my personal prediction. Now, moving on to the website, you get to see some of the art. And at the moment, only 1 out of 5,000 is actually minted. But yeah, guys, this project easily, again, I can see doing some crazy numbers. For the third project, we actually have Wonder Pals. They've blown up. They've got a massive following. Again, extremely hyped project, sitting at 140k followers. You go over to the website, you can see that you can mint it from February 26th. So about 3 days from when you're watching this video. And if you come down here, you can see the supply and mint price. And this obviously is a big seller. It's only 0.08 Ethereum, which means you're able to get in for a really low risk. The launch date again, February 26th, and it is going to be a stealth launch from the looks of it. Yeah, it is. Now, the utility behind it is probably the one worrying thing. As you can see here, they don't really have any utility other than being part of a lot of giveaways, contests, and just being a community holder and be part of the community. Now, what I think is going to happen is they're going to give you access to a lot of big projects and be able to be whitelisted for those projects, and also get some of these NFTs that they partner up with for free. As one of the main things people look at when they try to partner up with other NFTs is the following, and Wonder Pals have built up a crazy following. So in that case, I can definitely see this project being valuable in the long term, especially if you're being airdropped a lot of valuable NFTs. Here we also get to hear more about the team. Moving on to a Solana project. Yes, finally, we're back, all right? We got Miniverse. And this project, again, I am extremely excited about, okay? You can earn up to 0.1 Solana a day, possibly even 1 Solana a day in this mining game, I guess. The first mint will be February 23rd. Mint price will be 0.77, and the public mint price will be 0.99. All right, there's only going to be 555, so extremely low supply, which again, it is really good. You know, if there's a low supply, much more scarcity and much more demand for these NFT projects. I'm extremely excited to see where this project goes. You guys know I really like Solana NFTs, and this, in my opinion, in the upcoming day could be massive. They're building up a massive following as well, currently seeing a 3,200, and they're doing it in a pretty short span of time. You know, Solana NFTs, 3,200 followers even before mint is somewhat respectable. The last project in this video, we do have a Solana NFT that goes by the name of Occultist, sitting at 4,000 followers. The minting just went live. They're being listed in Magic Eden really soon, and there's only 97 left to be able to be minted. They are having a DAO, and they're also going to have a lot of cool perks and features with this project. And the best thing about it, in my opinion, is the low supply and the fact that art actually looks really damn good. It looks neat and really simplistic, which in my opinion is really good. Right, that's the end of this video. The link to my Twitter will actually be linked down below, and you guys can go ahead and actually enter the giveaway of 3 Solana, which I'm giving out to 3 people. Alongside it, I'm still running the 1 Solana giveaway on this channel. All you guys gotta do is like the video and comment down below your favorite NFT. If you guys want to subscribe, that would be much appreciated, but it's not part of the rules. And also for the likes part, I can't actually check if you guys like the video or not. It's just between you guys being honest, to be fair. But with that being said, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.